last bit we have seen speed and velocity. This we have learned already about the four terms: distance, displacement, speed and velocity, and the relationship of the speed with the distance and velocity with the displacement. Now we are going to learn another topic, that is effect of speed and direction on the velocity. Because we have seen that velocity is related to displacement. Now the displacement per unit time is nothing but the velocity. So definitely velocity is the vector quantity and it has magnitude as well as direction. It means that the two terms mainly affect on the velocity or rate of velocity. These two terms are nothing but the speed and direction. Both are important to consider the velocity. स्पीड आणि डायरेक्शन या दोन्ही गोष्टींचा वेलोसिटीवर परिणाम होतो. कसा होतो? सपोज यू आर राइडिंग अ बायसिकल इन द मार्केट or along the road. You are riding a bicycle. While riding, if you changes, means if you increases or decreases the speed of your bicycle, whether the velocity changes or not. Of course, velocity will change because velocity depends on magnitude as well as direction. And whenever we change the speed, magnitude of the velocity also changes. आपण जर स्पीडचा विचार केला, बायसिकल चालवतोय, स्पीड वाढवतोय किंवा कमी करतोय, मग स्पीड वाढली म्हणजे मॅग्निट्यूड वाढली, स्पीड कमी झाली म्हणजे मॅग्निट्यूड कमी झाली आणि म्हणून वेलोसिटी सुद्धा चेंज होते. It means that the velocity changes by changing the speed and remaining the direction constant. Means velocity changes by changing the speed by remaining the direction constant. Okay. Second example. You are riding the bicycle along the road. Your speed is constant, but you are taking a turn. तुमची स्पीड कॉन्स्टंट आहे पण तुम्ही टर्न करताय, बायसिकल आता टर्न करतोय आपण. व्हेन वी टर्न द बायसिकल, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द बायसिकल चेंजेस. And we know that velocity also depends upon the direction because it is the vector quantity. And whenever the direction changes, the velocity also changes. It means that the velocity changes by changing the direction and remaining the speed constant. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ असा आहे की स्पीड कॉन्स्टंट असून देखील जर डायरेक्शन चेंज होत असेल तरी देखील वेलोसिटी चेंज होते. थर्ड, while taking a turn, if you change the speed also, what will be the effect on the velocity? Of course, the velocity changes. आता आपण सायकलला टर्न पण करतोय आणि स्पीड पण चेंज करतोय, दोन्ही गोष्टी ॲट अ टाइम करतो, तर वेलोसिटी मध्ये बदल होणारच. इट मीन्स दॅट वेलोसिटी चेंजेस बाय चेंजिंग द स्पीड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शन ॲट अ टाइम ऑल्सो. सो summarizing or concluding, what we can say, simple, the velocity changes by changing the speed and remaining the direction constant, by changing the direction and remaining the velocity constant, remaining the speed constant, by changing the both speed and velocity. So finally we can say the speed and velocity directly affect on the speed and direction directly affect on the rate of velocity. Means the rate of velocity changes either by changing speed or by changing direction or both by changing the speed as well as direction. Okay, now next one, uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Uniform means similar, constant. Non-uniform, not similar or not constant, simple. So what is uniform and non-uniform motion? We'll see. Look at this table. Time interval is given here 5 5:30, 6, 6:30 means 30 minutes duration between two intervals of time is given here. And the distance covered by Amar is also given, and distance covered by Akbar is also given. It is in meter. A kilometer. So that may be. Look at it. The distance covered by Amar in every 30 minutes is 20 kilometers. In every 30 minutes, Amar covered the distance 20 kilometers. But Akbar covers in first 30 minutes Akbar covers 18 kilometer distance. Another 30 minutes he covers 17 kilometer distance. But another 30 minutes he covers only 7 kilometer distance. It means that Amar covers equal distance in every 30 minutes, means in equal interval of time. Whereas Akbar covers unequal distances in equal interval of times. Okay. The motion of Amar is constant, and so it is uniform linear motion along the straight road. But the motion of Akbar is not constant, and that's why it is non-uniform linear motion. So how can we define uniform linear motion? Simply, if an object covers equal distance in equal time intervals along the straight line, it is called as uniform linear motion. Simple. As object covers equal distance in equal interval of time along the straight line in one direction, then it is said to be uniform linear motion. जर एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट विशिष्ट वेळेमध्ये एकसारखे अंतर कापत असेल एकाच डायरेक्शन मध्ये, तर त्याला आपण युनिफॉर्म लिनियर मोशन असं म्हणतो. इथे अकबरचं मोशन युनिफॉर्म लिनियर मोशन, सॉरी अमरचं मोशन हे युनिफॉर्म लिनियर मोशन. नॉन युनिफॉर्म लिनियर मोशन कशाला म्हणतात आपण? सिंपल, हा अकबरचं सांगितलं. If an object covers unequal distances in equal interval of times, then it is said to be non-uniform linear motion. जर तो ऑब्जेक्ट विशिष्ट वेळेमध्ये वेगवेगळं अंतर कापत असेल, एकसारखं नाही, वेगवेगळे अंतर कापत असेल, म्हणजे कमी होतोय किंवा जास्त होतोय किंवा कमी जास्त होतोय, then it is said to be non-uniform linear motion. Now look at uniform circular motion. The motion of an object along the circular path when object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Simple. Object covers equal distance in equal interval of time along the circular path, then it is said to be uniform circular motion. But there is a basic difference. Uniform linear motion, here the speed and velocity is constant. इथे speed and velocity दोन्ही constant असतात. कारण एक तर ऑब्जेक्ट इक्वल डिस्टन्स कव्हर करतो, म्हणजे त्याची स्पीड युनिफॉर्म आहे, कॉन्स्टंट आहे, आणि इन सिंगल डायरेक्शन म्हणतोय म्हणजे स्पीड कॉन्स्टंट आहे, डायरेक्शन कॉन्स्टंट आहे, म्हणजे वेलोसिटी सुद्धा कॉन्स्टंट आहे. पण युनिफॉर्म लिनियर मोशन मध्ये जर आपण बघितलं, सॉरी युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन मध्ये जर आपण बघितलं, तर युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन मध्ये स्पीड जरी कॉन्स्टंट असली तर डायरेक्शन मात्र प्रत्येक वेळेला चेंज होते, आणि डायरेक्शन चेंज होत असेल तर वेलोसिटी सुद्धा चेंज होते. It means that it is not the non-accelerated, but it is accelerated motion due to change in direction. म्हणजे हा accelerated motion पाहायला मिळतं due to change in direction. याचं जर एक्झाम्पल सांगायचं म्हटलं आपल्याला तर moving of earth around the sun, moving of moon around the earth, these are uniform circular motions. So today we have learned the effect of speed and direction on the velocity. If speed changes, velocity changes. Direction changes, velocity changes. If both are constant, then it is said to be uniform linear motion. If any one of them changes, it is called non-uniform linear motion. Uniform circular motion, if speed is constant and moving along the circular path, but it is not the non-accelerated, it is accelerated motion due to change in the direction. So students, we have learned today the effect of speed and direction on the velocity. Tomorrow we will see about the acceleration and the types. Thank you.